Skye subscribers, welcome back to another vlog. So today is December 2 or day 2 of VLOGMAS. 7:38 AM. Ayan, maaga ako nagising today cause pumunta ako kaagad sa laptop ko to continue editing my previous vlog, yung haul video. Ayan, antok here. This is my morning voice, by the way, kasi kakagising ko lang talaga and medyo swollen pa yung face ko. What time ba yung classes ko? Today is Wednesday, so I have 11:30 class. Oh my god, 3 subjects for today. 4 subjects for today. Let's go, laban. Tapos I'll be packing orders too. Then I will ship them out. Oh my god, I can do this. Let's go. So, ayan, I will bring you guys with me and everything that I will do today, tomorrow, the other day. Ayan. Parang tanga. Ayan, this is what I'm doing right now. Tada! I don't know when I'll upload this, pero siguro one of these days. Naghahanap ako ng thumbnail kasi yan yung problema ko talaga. Hindi ako nakakapag-picture for thumbnail. So, ayan, syunga-syunga si Mi. This is my breakfast for today, rice and chicken hot dog with ketchup. Hello. Hello. Running around the planet. Okay, perfect. Hi, Skye subscribers. Time check. It's now 9:26 AM. Yun, hindi ako niligo today kasi medyo tinamad ako. Anyway, today we are gonna pack some orders. Yung class ko pa is 10:30. Oh yeah, 10:30 to 11:30 AM. So while waiting for my class, I'll pack some orders para ma-ship out ko na siya today. So yeah. So pag naglalagay lang ako, I'm really gentle. When it comes to my face na, ginaganon ko lang siya sa toner. Hey guys! So, change of plans. Hindi muna ako magpapack ng orders, but instead, napag-isipan ko na ikabit na muna to dito sa parang wall namin para siya magiging foam corner line. So, it's a substitute for baseboards kasi mahal yung baseboards and this is an alternative. Actually, meron ako nakita na baseboard na ano lang siya, 100 pesos. Pero, wala na kasi kaming carpentero or panday na gagawa ng para sa amin. So, ito na lang talaga yung easiest way. So, dito yung side na una kong lalagyan nito since 4 lang yung nabili ko na ganito. So, it looks like this. Ito yung close-up niya. And I'll show you how to put this on. Wait lang guys, we need help. Kailangan tayo ng assistant dito. Yan, so yan yung final look. So lalagyan namin dito na side. Tapos doon. Okay, let's go. So, ayan. This is how it looks like kung nakakabit na siya. Ayan, super ganda na. Parang true. Ta-da! Ta-da! So, continuation.
It was in the video, yeah. You have very good pictures of, I don't know if some of you have been there, so very good. I think the last time I visited the Pitan was...
Hello! Tapos na ang aming class. I'm eating blueberry cheesecake. Yum, yum, yum. Ako lang yung nakaubos nito. Look. Hey! Hey guys, time check. It's now 7:20 p.m. and I will upload this vlog 8 p.m. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. And before I end it, I just want to tell you guys na yung link nito, I got this from Shopee kasi for 99 pesos. And I will leave the link na lang sa description box para if gusto nyong bumili or if bet nyo siya, makakabili kayo sa link na yon. So, ayan. Ito na po yung aftermath, yung result. This is how it looks like. It's super nice. Parang nagmukhang mas maganda yung wall because of this. Ito. Ito, kita ba? Ayan. And, ayan, so nagkulang din po kami ng corner foam line. Mga 4 meters or 5 meters yung kulang namin. So, o-order na naman ulit ako sa Shopee. Ayun. But anyway, I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. Everything is at Skye. So, especially on TikTok because I post videos there every single day. And I will see you guys tomorrow for our Vlogmas Day 3. Don't forget to reach your dreams because the sky's the limit. Bye!
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.